Hi guys, I'm just going to solve another simple inequality problem. This one is interesting because you'll see that most of the circle is actually included in this area. So the way we're going to present our answer might be a little bit weird, which is why I want to show you. So basically here, again, like I told you, for inequalities, we can't really get away without the circle. So let's do that. The root 3 over 2 is our biggest number, except for one, of course, on the y-axis. We won't be including it. Therefore, I'm just going to put a dash here. And then the two angles we need are the ones right here. So since it's the biggest angle, this one here would be pi over 3. And this one here would be 2 pi over 3. So basically, these two angles right here. All right. And 2 pi over 3 is, of course, the complete angle. So the one that is starting from the positive x-axis and going around. I already calculated it beforehand. Now, if it's all the values that are before that are smaller than root 3 over 2, it means we need all the values that are below the line that I just drew. Therefore, it's going to be the big area of the circle. I'm going to use different colors here because there's something that is very essential. I told you can use negative angles for this, but since this angle here is not on the lower half of the circle, it's kind of awkward to use a negative angle. So we are going to have to split this here in two parts. So since we always start with the positive x-axis, if you remember, this is my starting point. The first area that is going to be included is this one here. And then after that, we're going to have all this, the interval that is between pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3, that is not going to be included in our answer. And then we are going to start again. So all the values that are in this area are also in the answer. So I used two different colors because basically it's going to be this interval union the red interval. Let's write the answer. First of all, so we are going to have that x, and it's nice here because it's just a simple angle, so no need to divide or subtract anything. Is going to be part of, I'm going to start with the blue area. So the blue area begins at 0 radians or 0 degrees. I'm going to include it because it's clearly inside the interval. And then plus 2 pi n. Okay, so this here works. It works until pi over 3. Pi over 3 itself is not included because it's a strict inequality. So, oh wow, this is not writing super well. Pi over 3, and again plus 2 pi n. Excluded. And then we have to go ahead and look what's going on with the red area. So, all right, so we did this interval, and then it goes on, it stops here. This is not included. And then it starts again at 2 pi over 3. So here I'm going to have union starting at 2 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, plus 2 pi n, of course. And then you're going to go around. So all of these angles here are in it clearly because it's in the red area. So it's still good at 270, still good until the end of the circle, which is 2 pi. Therefore, the end point is going to be 2 pi plus 2 pi n. It's okay if you just want to write 2 pi n. I don't really mind. So 2 pi n, and 2 pi n is going to be in it. All right, so this is my answer. So as you see, maybe color coding is actually really helpful. If you have any questions, please send me an email or come during consultation. We can talk more about this.